welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to see your watch history on TikTok. So you will be able to see your recently watched videos, liked videos, your comments, your payments, everything you will be able to see. So let's go ahead and do that. So I have to go on our TikTok app. Here I am on my profile. And then you will have to click on those 3 points in the right corner from the top of the page and then click to privacy. And after that you will have to click on personalization and data. After that you will have to click download your data, so you will get a copy of your TikTok data. Then click on request data. And after 1 or 2 days they are telling you that you will receive a zip format for up to 4 days, but you will get it much earlier, so don't worry. Once your file is ready, you will get it right here to download data. So you will get a zip format file, you will have to download it, and then you will have to open it. And there you will have the date and the link of your videos, everything will be there. So that's it guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, you can smash the like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, have a great day, bye bye.